Welcome back, students. We are seeing the chapter called banking. Based on this formula, maturity value is equals to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 24 into R by 100, wherein P into N is monthly installment and the rest of the part remains for interest. Okay. Previously, I have discussed two models. You can see that, and this is the question number 2, which is the second model actually. David opened RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. What do you have to find? The rate of interest. Okay, so that's it. So let's begin with the solution. Given data, always compulsory you have to write the given data. Given its p value is equals to rupees 300. Every month how much he is depositing? 300 rupees. For how many months he is depositing? Basically it is 2 years, but 2 years are nothing but 2 into 12. So n value is 24 months. Always, though he gives you in years, you have to convert into months. Okay. And then the next thing what he gave is, if he received 7725 at the time of maturity. So he gave you maturity value, which is rupees 7725. Okay. And then he is asking for rate of interest. How much is the rate of interest? Simple. Okay. Let's begin by writing the formula first. MV is equals to MV is equals to P into N brackets plus P into N plus 1 divided by 24 into R by 100. Okay, this is the formula. Let's just substitute now. Okay, so MV value is 7725 is equals to P value is 300 into N value is how much? 24, correct? Plus brackets 300 into 24 into 25. I am writing direct because N is 24, N plus 1 will be 25 obviously, into R by 100. Let me use capital R only because I used capital R in the formula from beginning. Okay, let's cancel whatever is possible. First thing is 24 gets cancelled. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. If you don't know, you can use with 5 itself. It's up to you. Or you can cancel the other way, is 3s are and this is 1s are. This is little more easier. Okay, and what you will write next? 7725 is equals to 300 into 24 as it is, plus 3 into 25 into R, isn't it? Nothing is left except that. So 7725 is equals to 24 into 3. 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72, 7200 plus, what do you have to write now? The last thing is 25 3s are 75 R. Okay, this is what you're going to write. So 7725 minus 7200 is equals to 75 R, which will be 7725. If you subtract, you will get 525 is equals to 75R. So 75R is equals to 525, and R will be how much? 525 divided by 75, which can be equal to, yeah, you can cancel with 5, of course. Let's start doing calculation. 5 ones are 5, 25 fives are 5 ones are 5 fives are, so 5 threes are 5 twos are 1s are 3 ones are 3 sevens are, isn't it? So overall it become how much? R is equals to 7%. That's your final answer. Okay, all you have to do is substitute and get the answer. Do the perfect calculations, don't do any mistakes in calculations. You'll get the right answer very easily. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.